many other ways because of which we are celebrating Diwalis, right? I will talk about those one. So of course, that is that Lord Ram's return to the Ayodhya is one of the reasons for celebrating the Diwali. Second one, of course, the goddess Lakshmi's arrival. Diwali is the often considered the day when goddess Lakshmi, the deity of the wealth and prosperity, visits homes, right? That is one of the most probably reason that people are making that celebrating Diwali also, correct? Other than this, Lord Krishna's triumph, right? In some regions, especially Gujarat and Maharashtra, celebrated Diwali because Lord Krishna's victory over a demon called Narikasur, right? Apart from this, we have the one more option or one more reason for celebrating Diwali called Vikram Samvat New Year, right? In Gujarat and parts of the North India, Diwali marks the beginning of the new year. That is the one of the reasons for celebrating the Diwali for those set of people who are residing over there, right? Other reason is that the Pandavas return, according to the Mahabharata, the Pandavas returned to their home after exiling of the 12 years of the, whatever that they had to be in that forest, right? And one more reason called Jain New Year and the Nirvana of the Lord Mahavir. So, in the 24th Tirthankara of Jain Nirvana, attained Nirvana on the Diwali's occasion. That is one of the reasons for celebrating Diwali's for in the Jainism. And last but not the least, of course, though because there are many ways and many reasons for celebrating the Diwalis in different societies. So last is that 6th celebration of the Bandi Chhod Divas. So that is one of the reasons of celebrating Diwali in a Sikh religion, and they are celebrating Diwali in the Golden Temple, generally, most of the way. So it's a time for the just to check your knowledge and related to Diwali on that. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
All right. Let me ask few questions. What is the Diwali is also known for? You can raise your hand. I mean, recently just to recall it. What is the Diwali also known for? Just raise your hand.
Festival of Lights?
Yes, absolutely right. Let's have a bigger round of applause. My second question is that what historical event does Diwali commemorate in Hindu mythology? What is it? No, let other to speak. Hi. Yes, please.
Lord Shri Ram completed his exile and returned to India.
What is it? Sorry?
Lord Shri Ram.
Now, generally celebrating on last. How long does Diwali festival celebrating generally in the current era? How many days? How many days does Diwali is celebrating in current era?
5.
Yes?
It's 4 to 5 days.
No, you have to be, stick to the maybe.
So I know the 4 main days.
Mhm. What are those?
So it starts with Dhanteras.
Right.
Then we have Choti Diwali,
Right.
Badi Diwali,
Mhm.
and then I think there's a gap of perhaps 1 day. Then there is Bhai Dooj.
Govardhan.
The gap of that one day also called, I think, Vikrama Puja or something like that.
Govardhan Puja.
Govardhan Puja. You are absolutely right. And after we are having a Bhai Dooj. That is the time of the 5 days we are celebrating Diwali, not only the 4 days. Right? Moving to the next question. I'm sure you might be ready. Excited? Yes? Alright. What is the first day of Diwali called? We just discussed,
Dhanteras.
Dhanteras, you are absolutely right. The name of tradition of Diwali sweets. Some kind of sweet, but what is the kind of sweets that we eat which are popular during the Diwalis?
Sohan Papdi.
You're absolutely right, because I remember that maybe from last couple of years, we all must be getting there some sort of Sohan Papdis are coming from the one room to one way to the other way, and we are keep moving it from the one way to the other way also. We're not keeping it at all with ourselves. Correct? Moving ahead, what does the term Deepavali literally means? What does the term Deepavali literally means? Come on, guys. Yes, please.
Lighting of diyas.
Little bit close to that.
Lighting of diyas.
It's a row of lights.
Yeah,
Row of lights, right? I'm sure it will be helping you just to enhance your knowledge related to Diwali also, right? How do gents observe Diwali. Observe Diwali. How Jain? Maybe I am the Jain, but anyone is related to that? Can we relate? How does Jain observe Diwali? Yes, please.
My journaling.
No. 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 So it's let me just help you out. As a day that the Lord Mahavir attained Nirvana, I just recently talked about. That is the reason that in the Jainism people are celebrating Diwali, right? Moving ahead, why is Rangoli made during the Diwali? I'm sure that we might be getting so many chances to participate in the Rangolis, maybe in our office, in the offices, at home, maybe some other places wherever we are getting a chance to celebrate or to participate in making the Diwali. So, what does it mean that? What is the why of preparing or participating in the Rangolis? What is the reason for that? Yes, please.
To welcome Lord Lakshmi.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Correct. Okay. So I have a few more, that question. So let me just talk about for those also. Which city is famous for its Diwali celebration due to the grand Diwali lights and fireworks? This city in India itself. No. Yes, you are absolutely right. Varanasi. Varanasi is famous for lighting Diwali celebration along with Ganga River. You are absolutely right. The next question is, what special Diwali rituals is performed in Sikh communities, especially at the Golden Temple? Just to recall, I have talked about Bandi Chod, absolutely right. Let me have a big round of applause. Absolutely right. Okay, let me just help you to understand and know more about the how Diwali is celebrating and why Diwali is celebrating in the other countries also. This is one or two questions for that as well. Okay, my question is that where is the question? All right, please, Esther. Okay, let me just ask you, in which country does the Diwali celebrating as the largest celebration outside of India? Which country?
US?
No.
Some Southeast Asia.
No.
Thailand? No.
Thailand is the one of it, of course, but the largest I'm talking about. Which one?
Indonesia, Middle East.
No.
Middle East?
I'm not talking about all countries' name. Okay, let me help you out. This Oscar in the UK has one of the largest celebration outside of India. Local Hindu and Jain communities celebrates Deepavali. That is Deepavali, not Deepavali, with lights and cultural events. I hope these kind of the sessions or these questions will definitely help you to improve their kind of the GK or the knowledge related to Deepavali, right? So moving ahead.
Card of text. I will, as the attendance is point low, I will encourage everybody to participate in this game. So the game is very simple. The rules are very simple. I have listed down 26 characters from the Hindu mythology Ramayana. So a person or a participant will shuffle the deck of the card. It will draw 2 cards. The sum of the card will determine the character which I have put it. Apart from that, if anyone draws a joker card, I have also written a physical exercise. Okay, he has to perform here. Be very minded on your joints in case if you have any problem. So before commencing the game, can I have a small activity? Yes, I request all of you to rise up, stand. It's a small laughing activity. You have to raise both.
It happens, for example, in rainy season. So you won't see that much traffic on the road first of all. People must be sitting in their home eating pakoda rather than sweets and tea. At the same time, you don't see so much lighting around as well. And Ram Leela won't have happened because of rainy season. And at the same time, during the rainy season, people would not like to visit each other's places rather than talking on the phone. Because these days, even in in metropolitan city like Delhi NCR, there was so much traffic. So during the rainy season as well. So it would have added chaos to the festival as well. So I think celebrating the different season won't help, and it would have spoiled the whole musty and flavor of the festival. So better it happens in winter, so that we can enjoy the sweets, we can meet people, and we don't have to wear woolen clothes or we are not sweating by meeting each other. I think it's better to be celebrated in winter rather than in rainy season or any other season. Thank you so much.
They are a very huge social network. So we used to get up, take bath, and first of all, burst a cracker.
Okay.
And the neighbors used to curse us. मद्रासी लोग जो है ना, ये खुद भी सुनते नहीं है, you know, this is the word. पागल है जी, से. So this used to happen. So, but now I realize, firstly the cracker. As a kid, I was not aware that there is a child labor involved in making the cracker. That time. No, it gives me pain that I was also a child, and how can I make another child make a cracker? And socially also it's a very bad thing. It's polluted. Now I realize the way a child involved for their play. But we used to, we have 3 brothers and 1 sister, so we used to compete with each other. And my grandmother used to make great amount of sweets from my mother also. So we used to give sweets to, our target was 10. So we used to look forward to go there and enjoy the return gifts. So that was the tradition we had. And by 9:30 in the morning, we were through.
Okay.
So that we can celebrate Diwali with my North Indian friends in the evening. So we were through. So in South India, this is the tradition.
Okay. I think I can start. I'm not sure if I'll totally relate to the theme, but I will perhaps follow my own interpretation of what I could understand. I think everyone makes mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes, and especially in this world, from a woman perspective, I would say we should not be afraid of trying out different things, see what works best for us. We should not be apologetic or be scared. As long as you know in your heart that you are doing something accurate, it's not wrong. You should not be bothered by if someone is judging you. You should have that confidence and drive to do things. And it could be that people might not support you in the short term, but in the long term, if your intentions are right and your heart was there, you were doing it, your goal was pure, in the medium to long term, things will work out and it will end on a better note.
I'm Abdul, king of Ayodhya, having 3 sons.
4.
Right, 4 sons. 3 wives, 4 sons. And I'm so prosperous, so kind, but I did a mistake. I promised my wife, I commit something to her, and that was not my choice. I had to commit something that went against my son. He had to spend 14 years of exile in the forest along with his newly wedded wife, and being a king, I can change my decision at any time, but I couldn't. I love all my wife, but Kekai was one of the favorite one, and he took my advantages, full advantage of that, and I had the grudge. I had the grudge of it. Like my son was who is wrong. He was very caring person. He loved me a lot, and what I did, I had to regret throughout my life, my journey, the next life as well. Thank you.
Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday, dear.
I remember when we were staring photos.